Let's see how our OCR, the Optical Character Recognition function, works. This function is extremely useful in getting data from images or virtual machines that cannot install any third-party or Windows software. It can be used for many languages like Arabic, French, Russian, or Chinese by default, but more packages are available to download. There are 3 engines that can recognize the characters, but we recommend always using Tesseract. Let's select an area where we want some text to be captured. And as you can see, it was perfectly recognized in this area. Paste it into the script. Let's copy the web address and manually write a function to start the browser with this page. The syntax is start browser. Then add a couple of brackets. And in quotes, we write CH, which stands for Chrome. We paste the link. And we will also type in the number 3, so the browser opens maximized. Let's also add a message box to show the captured data. The syntax is MSG box followed by a couple of brackets, and we can see that the capture area OCR function returns the value in variable var. So we are going to write this variable in our message box content. Now let's capture some other data again. We select the area of this button. And as you can see, there is no text seen by the OCR engine. This means we have to select it again in a wider area. Now that it is recognized, we can paste this syntax into our script. Let's also add a message box here. We can just copy and paste it. And from the Functions tab on the right, I will search for close and then add a close browser function so the page is closed after we run our automation. Cool. Let's run it. And this is how you can use Click on OCR. Thank you for watching.